bigamy is a crime. Hindi pa po siya, it's not just a civil case against you. Article 349 of the Revised Penal Code defines bigamy. May 4 po na elements dyan. Number 1, the offender is legally married. Okay, legally married. Meron siyang PSA. Pag mag-apply siya ng Senomar, he is married. Okay? 2, the prior marriage has not been legally dissolved. Okay, it could be na yung prior marriage niya, nagkalabuan na sila, matagal na, okay. Pero hindi pa rin siya legally dissolved. So it still subsists, it still exists. Or the absent spouse has not been declared presumptively dead. Okay. Pangatlong element, the offender contracts a second or subsequent marriage. So contracts, kumontrata siya. Nag-asawa siya ulit for a second or subsequent marriage. Okay? So, parang kumpleto ng elements. Meron pa, pang-4. Yung pangalawang marriage niya has all the essential requisites for validity. Okay? So, tingnan natin yung 3 kaso dito. Diba sabi ko kanina pag-usapan natin yung Morigo. Dito, the accused was acquitted only because the first marriage was void ab initio. Okay? Pumirma lang sila, walang marriage ceremony. Okay? The Supreme Court held that yung first marriage ng taong to, okay, there was no first marriage to speak of. So wala talagang bigamy. This is ito tinatawag na Morigo defense. It only applies when the first marriage is void from the start on grounds completely independent of conversion.